guys, I got my Boxycharm box in the mail today. You guys want to see what I got from my, oh my god, my August Boxycharm box? Keep on watching. So this is my box. I got the OPV Beauty Glow Perfect Face Palette, the La Rose Beauty Set, Mud Masky Roof Feeding Hair Mask, Persona Cosmetics Swipe Up Brow Gel, and Beauty for Certain Deluxe Lipstick. And as you can see, their retail prices are pretty high, and I'm getting all of this for like 25 bucks or something like that. Okay, so this is the hair mask, root feeding hair mask. Nourishes follicles, repairs hair, restructures, dandruff control, nourish scalp. And it says, if you need to wash your hair first, use a natural shampoo. Apply on wet hair, massage into hair and scalp. Leave in for about 1 minute. Rinse thoroughly with low temperature water. And do not use a conditioner after. Use at least once a week. So I might give this to my hairdresser because I get my hair done at the shop and see how this works for me. Or maybe I'll give it to someone that get more use out of it. And this is a Swipe Up Brow Gel by Persona. Okay, this is the brow gel. This color looks like it's a dark brown. Actually, it looks more like charcoal, like a gray. So I don't know how that's gonna work. Probably, let me see. I don't know what color it's gonna look like on me. It looks gray. Huh. It actually looks like that'll go good if I just use some concealer to clean it up, so yeah. Yeah, I also have this lipstick. Deluxe Lipstick number 18. And I'm gonna swatch it. Sorry. That's the color. I think that would look really cute with like a brown lip liner. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but that's what the color looks like. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer so you can see. That's really pretty. The last thing I got in my box was OPV Beauty Glow Perfect Face Palette. And I have to be careful with this because one of the colors arrived damaged. It was kind of cracked. So hopefully they'll send me another one. So this one would be like a bronzer. And then this is a highlighter. And I'm assuming that's a blush. I probably can fix this with some eye drops and like pat it down or whatever, so I'm probably gonna do that later, but I don't want to swatch it because I don't want all of that to fall everywhere right now. But yeah, the last thing I got is these brushes, and at first my husband looked at this and he thought they sent me some alcohol. And you like makeup brushes. So there's an angle brush here, a dual fiber brush. This one is a tapered blending brush. Concealer brush I can use for my brows or do my cut creases. And this is a shadow brush. Ooh. And they're really soft too. You wanna see how soft it is? Alright guys, so that's what I got in my Boxycharm box for August. You guys should definitely subscribe because it really is worth it. You get full-size products for like 26 bucks or something like that. I don't even know what I pay right now, but it's better than paying $34 for this, $50 for that. I mean, you get good stuff. And then they always have pop-up shops where you get stuff like 70% off, so it's really worth it. I've been with Boxycharm for probably about 2 years now. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Okay, bye.